rain, rabbit rain, bouncing down the grassy lane. Floppy ears and soggy feet, hopping to a drizzly beat. Drip, drop, splash and spin, rabbit twirls with a silly grin. Puddle dance and raindrop race, wiggly whiskers, happy face. Under a leaf he takes a seat, nibbling clover, oh so sweet. Raindrops tickle on his nose, off he goes in bunny clothes. Thump thump goes his little tail, splashing puddles down the trail. Rainy days are fun, he sings, as clouds go floating on soft wings. Mama rabbit calls from near, time to dry and cuddle here. Snuggled warm in burrow deep, raindrops hum them all to sleep. Rain, rain, rabbit rain, come tomorrow, dance again.